important to highlight that, and I am happy that it was highlighted once again this year, because we need to be consistent about that. We need to make sure that Government of India knows that the people of the state of Meghalaya do not understand Hindi. In fact, even we were having some difficulty following the language that was spoken, even though the written speech was given to us. So this is important that we consistently inform and highlight to the Government of India that we are a non-Hindi speaking community. Just because Ampareen has gone to government, that does not mean that opposition shall not highlight it. So we must be grateful that it was highlighted, despite the fact that our roles in government change. And it is not unusual for roles in government to change. It's not as if I'm in government, so I should also rise. I have to maintain the protocol, but I'm happy that it was again highlighted. And Government of India should take note that they should send governors who would preferably speak the language that is spoken by the people. To speak more than that will be irrelevant at this time. We just have to continue to project this to the Government of India, and it's fine to project it. It's fine. And I could not have obviously risen, but it is an important point to raise. It is the business of the opposition to raise this matter, and they have done so. And that is the tradition and practice and convention of the Legislative Assembly. Each of us have our own roles, and if these roles happen to switch, so be it. But that does not mean that the matter should not be raised.